Hey, Redheads, Dave Tappan here for Red TV, and our Dumbass of the Week winner this week is Brian Sudetta. Brian, congratulations. Here's your award. You can hang that proudly somewhere, above your bed or in your toilet or something like that. Now, Brian, just recap for the Redheads your story.
Okay. Taking a trip to Concord to go see Rush. It was, I think, May 4th. And we decided to stop in Clear Lake and camp out. And a buddy of mine, Keith, gets a little drunk and decides to drive on the outside of his car. And when he got back in the car, instead of hitting the brakes, he hit the gas and completely wiped our campsite out. Took out tackle, took out fishing reels, just took out the whole thing. The tent, it was all gone. And just destroyed it.
His name is Keith Harlan.
Keith Harlan.
Keith, you're a dumbass. Man, took out the whole campsite. Okay, also with Brian, his buddies Jake, Jesse, and Cody. And I'd like to take just a minute here and nominate Jake as perhaps next week's Dumbass of the Week for wearing these. Can you get these camera guys?
Oh, yeah. Get the patchwork.
No. What? Amazing.
Deadhead. Redhead.
Hey, Jake.
Deadhead.
I'll ask you, next time the circus comes to town, can you give me some pants like that?
Look at this shirt.
Yeah, that's great.
It's the circus, right?
That's beautiful. Man. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, get those nominations in. Hit the website, red1031.com, Dave Tappan Mornings. Click on the Dumbass link and make your nomination, and you might be next week's winner. Thanks, guys.
All right.
Thank you, Brian.
Yeah.
See you next time on Red TV.